Ever wondered how to unlock a whole new world? Learning a new language isn't just about words. It's about connecting with cultures, boosting your brain power, and opening up amazing opportunities. But what's the best way to actually do it? First things first, define your why. Are you learning for travel, work, or just for fun? Setting clear, achievable goals helps you stay motivated and focused. Start small, maybe just 5 new words a day, and build from there. The secret sauce is immersion. Surround yourself with the language. Watch movies, listen to music, change your phone's language, and even read simple books or news articles. The more you hear and see it, the more natural it becomes. Don't just consume, produce. Practice speaking, even if it's just to yourself. Find language partners online or in your community. Listen actively, read everything you can get your hands on, and try writing short sentences or journal entries. Consistency is key. Here's a big one: don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're not failures, they're stepping stones. Every error is a chance to learn and improve. Native speakers appreciate your effort, not your perfection. Just keep trying. Make learning a hobby, not a chore. Find aspects you genuinely enjoy, like cooking a foreign recipe while listening to a podcast or playing online games in your target language. Short, consistent bursts of practice are far more effective than long, infrequent study sessions. So the best way to learn a new language? Set goals, immerse yourself, practice all 4 skills, embrace mistakes, and make it fun and consistent. Start today and open up a world of possibilities. Subscribe for more amazing facts.